How to add audio to videos with Google Photos on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Photos application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and then tap on Highlight Video. After that, tap on Select Photos, and then here you can just select any of the video that you'd want to add audio to. Then tap on the Create options over here, and as you tap on Create, it will start loading the video. Next, over here, you can see the option of music. So you can just tap on the music option and it will give you the option of My Music or Theme Music. So I'm just going to tap on the theme music for this one. And as you do that, you can see different themes that you can have over the scrolling or the swipe up. So you can select any of these options. I'm going to select on the dramatic category and choose this Happy Tears. And if you're happy, tap on save and you can just tap on save again and it will be saved in your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.